In this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly delete or remove MyCleanPC program on your Windows computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you go ahead and right click on it and then just choose delete, you'll not have deleted the files. To properly delete this, you need to go ahead and delete the files or remove the files from the root. To do this, you need to go ahead and look for Control Panel shortcut program on your computer, or if you can't find it, then go to the start menu here and then click on it, and under this just go ahead and search for Control Panel, and as you can see, my Control Panel is here. Now under this, go ahead and look for Programs and Features, and this will list all the programs that are installed on your computer. If I scroll down, you can see my MyCleanPC program is here. To uninstall it, just right click on the program and then choose uninstall. By choosing this, you'll be taken to this window to confirm if indeed you want to uninstall this program. Go ahead and choose yes, and this will go ahead and prepare all the files and start removing them. Depending on how heavy the program is, you might have to wait for a few seconds or minutes. And now you can see the shortcut is no longer available. If I go back to the control panel, you can see now MyCleanPC is no longer among the programs running or installed on this computer. So that's how you can completely uninstall MyCleanPC from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.